Did you know that some of the most powerful natural painkillers and anti-inflammatories in the world aren't found in pharmacies but in your kitchen? It sounds almost too simple, but science continues to confirm what ancient medicine knew long ago: that certain spices hold the key to easing joint pain, reducing inflammation, and restoring mobility naturally. For centuries before modern pain relievers existed, people relied on the healing powers of herbs and spices to soothe aching bones and stiff joints. Today, millions of people around the world struggle daily with joint pain, from mild stiffness to severe inflammation caused by arthritis or wear and tear. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, osteoarthritis alone affects over 528 million people globally, and chronic inflammation remains one of the leading causes of pain and disability. Many turn to over-the-counter painkillers for relief, but these medications often come with side effects that can harm the liver, stomach, or kidneys when used long-term. This is where nature steps in with its gentler yet highly effective alternatives. In this video, we'll explore the most effective spices for joint pain and inflammation, diving deep into their healing mechanisms, scientific studies backing their use, and how you can easily include them in your daily diet. By the time you finish reading, you'll understand why your kitchen cabinet might just be your most underrated medicine chest. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell so you never miss our weekly videos on natural wellness. 1. Turmeric, the golden healer of joints. If there is one spice that deserves the title Golden Medicine, it's turmeric. This bright yellow spice, made from the root of the curcuma longa plant, has been used for thousands of years in India and Asia, not just for cooking, but for healing. Modern science has now confirmed what traditional healers always knew. Turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can work wonders for people struggling with joint pain and stiffness. The main healing compound in turmeric is called curcumin, and it's the real hero behind its many benefits. Curcumin helps block certain chemicals in the body that cause inflammation and pain, almost like how painkillers such as ibuprofen work, but without the harmful side effects. Inflammation is what makes your joints swell, ache, and feel stiff, especially if you have arthritis or long-term wear and tear in your bones. Turmeric naturally calms that inflammation, allowing your joints to move more freely and comfortably. Several studies have shown that turmeric can reduce pain levels in people with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. One study even found that turmeric extract worked just as well as some prescription medications at reducing joint pain, but with fewer stomach problems. Another major benefit of turmeric is that it protects your body from oxidative stress, a kind of internal rusting caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. This damage often makes inflammation worse, but turmeric fights it off. To make turmeric more effective, it's best to take it with black pepper or healthy fats like coconut oil. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which helps your body absorb curcumin much better. You can add turmeric to soups, stews, smoothies, or make a warm drink called golden milk by mixing it with milk, black pepper, and honey before bedtime. With regular use, turmeric can help your joints feel more flexible, reduce swelling, and make movement less painful. 2. Ginger, the natural pain reliever. Ginger is another powerful spice that fights joint pain from the inside out. You've probably used it to flavor tea or soups, but its health benefits go far beyond the kitchen. The same compounds that give ginger its warm, spicy flavor, called gingerols and shogols, are the ones responsible for reducing pain and inflammation in the body. When inflammation builds up in your joints, it causes pain, stiffness, and sometimes even swelling. Ginger works like a natural anti-inflammatory drug by blocking the pathways that create those painful signals. This makes it particularly helpful for people suffering from arthritis, back pain, and other inflammatory conditions. Research has shown that people who regularly take ginger, whether in tea, capsules, or raw form, report less pain and improved mobility in their joints. It also helps relax sore muscles and improves blood flow, which speeds up recovery after physical activity. Drinking ginger tea daily or adding a few slices to hot water with lemon and honey is one of the simplest ways to use it. Over time, ginger can help you move more easily, sleep better at night without pain, and even reduce the need for pain medications. Its natural warmth also helps to keep the body comfortable, especially during cold or rainy weather when joint pain tends to worsen. 3. Cinnamon, the sweet fighter against inflammation. Cinnamon isn't just for baking and desserts. It's a spice that can bring real relief to aching joints. The sweet-smelling powder comes from the bark of the cinnamomum tree, and it has powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce pain and stiffness. The main compound in cinnamon that helps your joints is cinnamaldehyde. This compound helps block the release of inflammatory substances in your body, easing the stress and swelling that cause joint pain. Cinnamon also helps balance blood sugar levels, which can indirectly reduce inflammation because high blood sugar can worsen joint damage over time. One study found that people with rheumatoid arthritis who took cinnamon daily experienced less pain and swelling in their joints. Cinnamon also helps improve circulation, bringing fresh oxygen and nutrients to damaged tissues, which supports healing. You can sprinkle cinnamon in oatmeal, tea, coffee, or smoothies, or even mix it with honey for a natural anti-inflammatory paste. However, it's important not to take too much, as large amounts can irritate the liver. A teaspoon a day is enough to enjoy its benefits safely. 4. Cloves, tiny but mighty against pain. Cloves may be small, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to pain relief and healing. These dried flower buds contain eugenol, a natural chemical that works as both an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. Eugenol helps block pain signals in the body and reduces swelling around the joints, making it great for arthritis and muscle soreness. Clove oil has been used for centuries as a natural pain reliever, even for toothaches, because of its numbing effect. When it comes to joints, cloves can help by reducing stiffness and protecting the cartilage that cushions your bones. They also help improve blood flow, which supports faster recovery from inflammation. You can add ground cloves to tea, stews, or warm milk, or even chew 1 or 2 whole cloves daily. Just be careful not to overdo it, as the flavor is strong. Cloves also help the body detoxify, which supports overall joint and immune health. 5. Garlic, nature's anti-inflammatory shield. Garlic isn't just great for cooking, it's one of the most powerful natural medicines for joint pain and inflammation. The secret lies in its compound called allicin, which forms when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin has strong anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting effects that can reduce swelling and protect your joints from further damage. Garlic also lowers levels of enzymes that break down cartilage, the soft tissue that keeps your bones from rubbing against each other. This makes it especially helpful for people with arthritis. Studies have shown that people who eat garlic regularly experience less joint pain and stiffness and have lower markers of inflammation in their blood. For best results, eat garlic raw or slightly crushed in warm water, soups, or salad dressings. Taking it before bedtime can also help reduce morning stiffness. Garlic supports not just joint health, but also heart health, immunity, and detoxification, making it a true all-round healer. If you live with joint pain, spices are allies you can safely trust into everyday life, with wisdom. Start in the kitchen. Make turmeric, ginger, garlic, and cinnamon part of your daily meals. If you want stronger, clinically validated effects, consider standardized curcumin, paired with piperine or another bioavailability technology, and ginger supplements after discussing with your clinician. For local joint pain, topical capsaicin is an evidence-based option. Use quality products, give them time to work, weeks to months, and monitor for interactions if you take medications. These kitchen medicines are not instant miracles, but over time they change the biochemical context in which joints live: less inflammatory signaling, less oxidative stress, calmer pain nerves, and more room for healing. That slow transformation is what turns a spice drawer into a pharmacy for daily life. Gentle, affordable, and deeply human. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's dealing with joint pain. Let's spread natural healing together.